Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Genesis from the 6th to the 10th of April 2026 on Monday. A mother's trust is broken while her own betrayal shatters his son. Wendy owns up to her mistakes and seeks forgiveness. 2 is a company, 3 is a dangerous crowd on Tuesday. A son learns how diabolical his mother can be. The seducing household splinters as Mpumi walks out on Wendy, and Felicia prepares for war when she learns the truth about Nobuhle on Wednesday. Bongo fight to reclaim Maruna from a foreign country, much to Felicia's dismay. Mpumi exposes Gabriel's betrayal, and Nobuhle and Ishmael shenanigans ignite a family conflict on Thursday. Gabriel savors the spoils of a ruthless chess move as Maruna faces a humiliating reckoning, while Bishop Hlophe's call for forgiveness falls on deaf ears with Mpumi. Elsewhere, Ishmael is unsettled to learn that Nobuhle has spent money on without telling him on Friday. Panic grips the Sedibeng when Maruna is jailed in Ghana for drugs linked to Felicia's company. The furious family descend on the Tabetas with a fire in hand, and as Bongo prepares to go after Maruna, Gabriel insists he alone can bring her home. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.